Breaking news, what's up guys, we are back and for the first time we're getting some official news regarding the Galaxy S23 series. Both Samsung and Qualcomm has pretty much confirmed what we all wanted to hear. Finally, it seems like the Exynos Qualcomm chip drama is officially coming to an end. In a recent bombshell interview, Qualcomm CEO Cristiano Amon has confirmed some amazing details that will shape the future of not just the Galaxy S series but all Galaxy products. Finally, the man himself confirmed that the Galaxy S23 series along with other Galaxy products like tablets and laptops all will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon chips. He mentioned that unlike last year's 75% adoption of Snapdragon chips for the Galaxy S22 series, the S23 lineup Snapdragon adoption will be 100%. What's even crazy is that Samsung and Qualcomm are closer than ever as they sign a mega multi-million-dollar deal till 2030, meaning Qualcomm has just secured one of their mega biggest deals ever, giving their Snapdragon chips to Samsung for 7 more years and also including 6G in this agreement. Samsung as Qualcomm has truly been reborn. Once again, it's not just the phones, Qualcomm is also going to be powering Samsung's tablets and laptops as they are working with Apple M-series competitor ARM-based chips for Windows, so I can't wait to see that hardware coming to Samsung's laptop. It's a huge win for customers because this is something that should have happened long time ago. Finally, no market will get inferior version of Samsung's flagship phones. We will all be treated equally and get the best version. Now you might be wondering, what is the future of the Exynos? Well, Samsung has also spilled some beans in their recent earning call, pretty much confirming possibly their biggest project of the future, which is the Galaxy Dream, aka the Galaxy chipset. During the recent conference call, Samsung was asked if they're going to discontinue their Exynos chips, to which they responded, it is not true at all. Samsung confirmed that they're still working on their own chips for the future, but right now they're completely reorganizing their system-on-chip business model, pretty much confirming the recent leaks that Samsung is indeed working on that Dream Galaxy chipset, and for that they are reorganizing and rebuilding everything from the ground up. As we heard recently that Samsung acquired a key Apple ex-employee that worked at Apple for 9 years, it is believed that Mr. Kim will be joining the Dream Galaxy team of 1,000 people to build the Galaxy chipset for the future. But for now, we are glad that the S23 series is getting the all Qualcomm treatment. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is coming not just for the S23 series, but also for Galaxy tablets and Samsung's laptops. Qualcomm is indeed the best we have got, and I can't wait to see the performance upgrade that will come to the S23 lineup. That's all for this video. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe and make sure to comment below what you think about this bombshell news. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.